After receiving the goods, open the outer packaging. Open the furnace door. Take out the filling material from the furnace chamber. Check the relevant accessories. When the equipment is first used or left unused for a long time, it needs to be baked in an oven heating up to temperature of 200 degrees, contain for 120 minutes. When starting to use, open the furnace door. Take out the door block and place the crucible containing the sample in the middle of the furnace. Place the door block, close the furnace door, set the process program, and start heating up. In the basic state, press the left button for a second to enter the temperature control program setting state. After setting, long press the half circle key or do not operate for 10 seconds. The instrument will automatically save and return to the basic state. Press the green start button. Long press the down button on the instrument panel for 2 seconds, and the device will heat up according to the program. The voltmeter and ammeter on the operation panel will also change according to the program.